Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the Spacers RMRK NFT. The public round is started and I'm going to demo how to get it. So using the DEX. So now let's see what kind of the RMRK NFT they have. And so first of all, the public round is started, so all of you should be able to mint the NFT now, and you will be able to have some utilities and also the membership in the Spacers DAO. And they have some more details in the tweets. I'm not going to go over everything, but I'm going to post a link, and more importantly, I think a lot of you probably care about the utilities, like what to do with this NFT. So I'm going to show you what kind of utilities they have. So let's go to the website. So this is the Spacers pod sale website. They have 10,000 NFT in total, and those are the equipable item. And so they have the closest Spacers, and this is all the different rarity of the NFT. And so the cheapest one would be the marine, and that's the one I'm going to get because the other one, they are too expensive for me. And so the Spacer review now, the artist is Scouts, and here's the utility. I think most of you probably care about that. It's about the free energy. I use Subsocial, so I probably need to get one anyhow. I need the free energy and also access to the Spacers DAO and some other sub ID features, and also visibility of posts or something interesting. Now I'm going to demo how to get that. First of all, you need the mover, the River. So to get the token on the DEX, we can use is solarbeam. Solarbeam is a DEX on the Moonbeam and on the Moon River, and you can connect to your MetaMask and use the other assets, whatever assets you have, to swap. So I'm going to try USDC to swap to the Moon River. If it's the first time, just like me, you may not have any Moon River as a guest, but don't worry, just go to the bridge. They do have the swap for gas, and so I would really appreciate the Moonbeam, the Moonbeam community's help. You can now do that. Otherwise, I didn't know how to do that. So you can swap for the gas. So I already submit that. Now I should get the Moon River. I just swap the BUSD and then get the Moon River. It will just take a while, and then you should be able to have the Moon River. Now you have the Moon River token. You can go to the app, connect to your MetaMask. So this is one I just swap and get some Moon River. Now you can see that I get more than 5 Moon River. Now I should get enough to select the rarity and put the partner code. Use wag me to the sun. So use this code to get the wag media stuff, and also pay for that and sign. And so now you will get the NFT. And so you can tweet that. There's a reference. I'm going to share mine as well. You can share your reference to your friends, and they can use this reference to get the NFT. There's another video I would highly recommend if you want to check, from P Ninja. He talked about this NFT as well, and talk about the utility. So I think that's quite helpful. So overall, just talk about the Spacers, that NFT, and show you how to get one using the DEX, the solarbeam, to swap some Moon River, and then use the Moon River to buy. So personally, I got the Marine one. That's the cheapest, and the others, they are too expensive for me. But I do want to check those utilities, those free energy, and some very the Spacers DAO. I want to know what kind of a Spacers DAO they will have, and so that's why I want to get one, and then I have the opportunity to explore that. And so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.